Correlative conjunction vs. coordinating conjunction. The major difference between correlative and coordinating conjunctions is that correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions which connect correlated items, and coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions which connect two words, phrases, or independent clauses. Example of correlative conjunctions. You can either read or write. The highlighted words are pairs of conjunctions. Therefore, they are called correlative conjunctions. Example of coordinating conjunctions. He saw a lion and he ran away. The highlighted word "and" is a coordinating conjunction. Therefore, not pairs of words, which joins two independent clauses. Correlative conjunction vs. subordinating conjunctions. The main difference between correlative and subordinating conjunction is that correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions which join balanced words, phrases, or clauses of equal grammatical rank, and subordinating conjunctions connect a subordinate clause to a main clause. Example of correlative conjunction. Both you and I will go to the market. The highlighted words "both" and are correlative conjunctions which join balanced words, two pronouns.